Hello guys! Welcome to another tarot deck unboxing. So this time, ang i-unbox natin is the Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot. I have only yung cards lang kasi ang alam ko, this deck is also available um, yung with kit, no, in kit. Meron yung ganito Radiant Rider-Waite na kit, but ang binili ko is yung set of cards only. So, as far as I know, the kit includes a hefty guidebook compared to this one na little white book only. No, yung little white book kasi is all in paper lang, yung cover niya is paper lang. So, gusto ko na tong deck na to even before siguro mga pandemic pa or before pandemic. Pero hindi ko na maalala kung kailan ko to binili. Not sure kung 2024 ko pa to binili. So this is rather a super late unboxing. So ito, I got this from Amazon. No, kasi maganda yung deals nila when it comes to decks, no? So ginagawa ko, I purchase decks from Amazon kapag naka-promo. No? Hindi na-avail ko rin yung free shipping nila. So, by the way, this is the Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot. Marami na akong Rider-Waite Tarot decks, pero kinokolekta ko sila. So, as nakikita ninyo, ito ay nakabalot ng plastic. So, remove na natin ito. Tsaka naka-tuck box lang siya Which is very, lang naman. Simple lang yung kanyang packaging. Ayan. Typically, decks come with plastic wrap. So, eto siya. Hindi ganun ka-sturdy yung box niya. Ayan. Soft. Parang may pagka-soft cardboard lang siya. Tapos, ang publisher nito is US Games. Ayan. US Game Systems Inc. Sa top, ito yung itsura ng box niya. Ayan. Radiant Rider-Waite. Di ko alam kung nagpo-focus yung camera ko. US Game Systems Inc. Stamford, Connecticut, USA. Made in Italy pala to, dear. So, sa side niya, ito. Sa lahat kasi ng Rider-Waite decks na nakita ko, ito yung pinaka-vibrant. Kaya nga makikita ninyo naman yung name pa lang niya. It says Radiant. Ganun ka-bright, ka-warm yung mga colors dito. So, sabi dito, Radiant Rider-Waite based on drawings by Pamela Coleman Smith. Search nyo si Pamela Coleman Smith. Siya yung artist ng yung unang-unang Rider-Waite yata, kung di ako nagkakamali. O, ayan ang description nito. A vibrantly recolored version of the original Rider-Waite Tarot. Explore the most cherished popular tarot deck in the world with the new radiance to guide you. So, bottom, nandito yung mga barcodes, ISBN. Sa likod, ito naman, featured is si Magician. So, ayan, may dent pala yung na-receive ko. I ordered this together with other decks. Di ko maalala kung anong other decks yun sa tagal. So, yan. Nating special sa packaging niya, flip-top box, which is madaling overtime, bumibigay, napupunit. So, ayan. Ito siya, nakabalot sa plastic. At ito yung little white book na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tanggalin na natin yung... So, ang tagal na to. Hindi ko alam kung years na sa akin to. Hindi ko lang na-unbox. So, kung kilala nyo na ako at nanonood kayo dito sa aking channel, alam nyo na inaamoy ko, obsessed ako sa mga bagong books, bagong cards. Inaamoy ko yan. Sniff ko muna. Fresh new deck. Ang bango. Sarap ng amoy kasi ito ay made in Italy. Paborito ko yung mga decks guys na from made in Italy. Quality kasi eh. So may title card siya. Ayan. Nagkaka-trouble focusing yung camera ko. Sorry guys. Excuse me. So ito yung little white book na sinasabi ko. Oo. Pag bumili ka rin ng the original Rider, wait lang pakita ko. Kasi yung meron akong the original Rider Waite, ito yan. Ito naman iba kasi publisher nito, si Rider Books, I guess, yung gumawa. Tsaka iba yung book nito eh. Hindi siya yung ganito. Pero pag bumili ka ng mga boxes na ganito lang, ganito usually yung kanilang little white book or guidebook niya, instructions. Ayan. Talagang paper lang na in-staple dito. So, what I hate about this little white book, over time nagra-rust yung staple wire or wires. So, this time isa lang nilagay nila. As in tinipid. Oh. So, ayan, makikita mo dito yung copyright niya, 2003. US Game Systems Inc. May introduction siya, which is very long, di ko nababasahin. TLDR. So, ito na yung Greater Arcana or the Major Arcana and their divinatory meanings. No? So, walang mga photos dito or thumbnails. Nandiyan lang, halimbawa, first is the Magician. Merong upright and reversed interpretations or meanings. Actually, more on mga keywords lang, like the Magician yan. Skill, diplomacy, yun lang yung mga nakalagay dito. Very, lang talaga, short na, keywords. So, followed by the Lesser Arcana, na una yung Suit of Wands, as usual. Then, Suit of Cups. Same din, meron siyang, okay, sa minor arcana, meron tayo dito. Halimbawa, King of Cups. Ano yung divinatory meanings? And the upright, a short description about the card. Tapos, meron siyang divinatory meanings and then reversed. Yes, sa minors, merong added na divinatory meanings. But sa majors, wala. Upright and reversed, meanings. But sa minor, included yung divinatory meanings. Upright, reversed. So, ayan, hanggang dulo yan. Pentacles. Tapos dito, meron ditong Celtic cross spread. And, yun lang. So, proceed na tayo. Ito yung itsura ito yung title card niya. Usually, mga decks merong ganito. Ayan. Include 78 cards and instruction booklet ang tawag nila dito. 2003 US Game Systems Inc. Made in Italy. Tapos merong card dito about Pamela Coleman Smith. Yan, The Untold Story. Cute. Appreciate ko yung mga ganyan. Tapos ito pala yung backing niya. Yan. Diba ang cute? Stars yan eh. Ewan ko kung malinaw yung camera ko. Yan. Ganyan siya ka-cute. Stars yan. Napakaraming stars. Tapos meron siyang pa-border na white. Yung cardstock niya is flexible. Hindi siya matte. Hindi rin naman siya, actually may pagka-glossy, but not super glossy. I think hindi naman to magi-stick together. So, syempre mag-start tayo kay Major Arcana. The Fool. So, may border. There's the number on top. Tapos sa bottom, you have the as you can see, very, very vibrant yung mga colors. Very warm. And pati blue niya, di ba? May pagka-warm. Okay. Ito na yung world card. So, next is Suit of Wands. Started with a court cards. Ganda, lakas maka good vibes ng colors ng deck na ito. That's what I love about these decks, yung kanyang vibrant colors. Ayan. Okay. So, that's it guys. Yung ating unboxing flip through ng Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, or don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.